Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. So, what we're doing, we're taking a drive up Hagley Park Road on a Monday morning. So, come along with me. Remember to leave your comments. First of all, there's a lot of manhole covers, or drain covers, and NWC National Water Commission covers on the road that are very high up, so you have to be careful when driving. I don't know if when the road is finished, if they'll have it fixed properly. Maybe they'll do another level of asphalt, but the covers are very high. So right now we have one side here that is asphalt, which is allowing dual transport. Over on my right is still being worked on in terms of drainage and water commission. I'm heading towards Halfway Tree, so I'm driving Hagley Park Road heading towards Halfway Tree. So the left side is drivable, both lanes of traffic, and again the covers, the drainage covers, NWC covers, manhole covers, they're very high up, they're very elevated, so you have to be very careful. Again, the right side of the road is barely accessible because it's still being worked on in these areas. It's not finished. But the good thing is that they're allowing traffic on this left side, so while some persons will drive the alternate route. So this is another cover here. This one, you have to watch out for them as well. Another elevated cover. So when driving this road while it's unfinished, you have to be careful. You may get the vehicle damaged, especially at night. Traffic is not bad, but there's a little traffic here. Reason being, there is a trailer with a container trying to reverse into somewhere, so that's causing some traffic. But without that, the traffic does flow, to be honest. So we really have a container blocking off sections here. Again, without the container, without the trailer reversing in, this should really be flowing, to be honest. I'm gonna try and come over on the right side. And see if I can go around the trailer. Trying to go around the trailer, which is right here. So this is really the cause of the traffic. So this is without the trailer, then it would be good. Back on the left side of the road, and again there's some open holes, some very dangerous hole on the road, So you have to be careful. You have to know what you're doing. And watch out for the other motorists as well. So I know they open up the road so that persons have an alternate route to drive, separate from the back roads, especially to the businesses, the business places. But with so many elevated manhole covers and drainage covers and open holes, you have to be careful. So now we're passing the Ruby station right here, heading up to Honda ATL. That's where we are. So we're almost finished Hagley Park Road. This section of both sides is asphalt, so you can drive on both sides of the road. So there's another open trench here, so you can drive any side you choose. I think this side was recently paved, and now we're heading up to the O'Neill's Plaza right up here. So this is now another one side. It's one side you're allowing you to drive on here, because right in front of Hyundai, work is still being done there. A lot of work being done in front of Hyundai, so only one side of the road they're allowing you to drive on. So you just have to share the road, can't be selfish. So as we see, work still happening in certain areas on both sides. But as best as they can, they're trying to do it in phases to allow traffic, especially coming into September when school will be reopened. So they're finally so we basically finished Hagley Park Road. Public section as well, allow both sides. Traffic can drive on both sides. They have recently asphalt on the right side to give drivers some more options, some more peace of mind. And again, some of this work is really to anticipate, back to school as well. Alright, so Hagley Park Road. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like the video, share it as well so more persons can see it. And as usual, if you're new, remember to subscribe for more. So now we're basically in halfway through. It's gonna go down Eastwood Park Road and basically just end the video right there. So Hagley Park to halfway through on a Monday morning. This is still in the summer before school is open. Traffic is not crazy, but let's see the difference when school opens. Alright guys, see you on the next video.